Installing new windows is an important investment, and choosing the right style can make a big difference in your home's comfort, efficiency, and appearance. For homeowners in Baytown, double-hung windows are a popular option thanks to their versatility and classic design. However, before moving forward with installation, there are a few key things you should know to ensure you get the best results for your home. One of the first things to understand is how double-hung windows function. These windows feature two operable sashes, one on the top and one on the bottom, that can move independently. This design allows for flexible ventilation, which is especially beneficial in Baytown's coastal climate. By opening both sashes, warm air can escape through the top while cooler air enters through the bottom, helping improve airflow and indoor comfort. Climate is an important factor to consider when selecting windows. Baytown's environment includes heat, humidity, and occasional storms, all of which can impact window performance. When choosing double-hung windows, look for models designed with energy efficiency in mind. Features such as double-pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames help reduce heat transfer and keep your home more comfortable year-round. These features also help protect your home from excess moisture, which is important in a humid climate. Material selection is another key consideration. Double-hung windows are available in a variety of frame materials, including vinyl, wood, and fiberglass. Vinyl is a popular choice for many Baytown homeowners because it resists moisture, requires minimal maintenance, and performs well in changing weather conditions. Fiberglass is another durable option, offering strength and resistance to warping. Choosing the right material ensures your windows will last longer and continue to perform effectively. Proper installation is just as important as the windows themselves. Even the highest quality windows won't deliver their full benefits if they are not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures a precise fit, proper sealing, and smooth operation. This helps prevent issues such as drafts, water leaks, and misalignment. In Baytown, where weather conditions can vary, a secure installation is essential for long-term performance. Another factor to think about is maintenance. One of the advantages of double-hung windows is their ease of cleaning. Many models feature tilt and sashes, allowing you to clean both the interior and exterior glass from inside your home. This is especially convenient for upper-level windows. While these windows are relatively low maintenance, regular cleaning and occasional inspections help keep them in top condition. Ventilation control is another benefit worth considering. Double-hung windows allow you to adjust airflow based on your needs. Whether you want a light breeze or more significant ventilation, the dual sash design gives you flexibility. This can be particularly useful during milder weather when you want to rely less on your HVAC system and more on natural airflow. Energy efficiency should always be a priority when upgrading windows. Well-designed double-hung windows help reduce energy loss by providing better insulation and sealing. This not only improves comfort but can also lead to lower energy bills over time. In Baytown's warm climate, reducing heat gain is essential for maintaining a cool indoor environment. You should also consider how the new windows will complement your home's style. Double-hung windows have a timeless appearance that works well with many architectural designs. With a variety of finishes, colors, and grid options available, you can customize your windows to match your home's aesthetic while enhancing curb appeal. Security is another important aspect. Modern double-hung windows come with improved locking systems that help keep your home safe. Ensuring that your windows are both secure and easy to operate provides peace of mind for you and your family. Finally, it's important to think about long-term value. Investing in high-quality double-hung windows can increase your home's overall value while improving daily comfort. From better energy efficiency to enhanced functionality, these windows offer benefits that last for years. In the end, understanding what to expect before installing double-hung windows in your Baytown home helps you make a confident and informed decision. By considering factors like climate, materials, installation, and efficiency, you can ensure your new windows deliver the performance, comfort, and style your home deserves.